Gala Games continues to see further downside after getting rejected within our key area of resistance between the 0.02115 and the 0.0178, which is that red target area on the chart. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.01643 and the 0.01376. And on today's update video, I will be discussing this additive structure that is playing out here on the charts, giving you my next downside target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.02099, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of the wave 1 to the lows we made in the formation of that first wave. And you can see that we saw a bounce into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, an area within which we got rejected, starting the next leg to the downside in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that first wave to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the highs we made in the formation of that second wave. And the fib ratios 1:1 is my first target area to the downside, and that lies above the 0.01424, which is that area over here. And that is an area that Gala Games can easily hit in the next coming hours. Once we hit that target area, I will expect a bit of a short-term bounce in the formation of that wave 4, and then get one more new low in the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas will be given later once we have a low in place in the formation of that third wave. And once we complete that 5-wave structure to the downside, I will expect that Gala Games is going to give us a bit of a bounce to the upper side in a corrective bounce, that is an ABC corrective bounce, before maybe we can get another leg to the downside, or maybe get a more bullish case scenario that can continue pushing the prices even higher. On the short term, I also need to see whether Gala Games is going to continue holding within this blue target area, and that is between the 0.01643 and the 0.01376, because if by any chance we hold within this area over here, there's a very high chance of a reversal, and also a very high chance that we are going to get an invalidation of this 5-wave structure to the downside in a move that can easily give us a reversal breaking above key areas of resistances. So that is another key area that you need to pay attention to, and that is all that I expect here on the Gala Games chart on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.